Now, this is the day where we get to design a business card on Canva. If you're super stoked like me, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment below. Say yes, yes, yes. I'm super excited. So welcome to today's lesson. If you're new here, my name is XT Ndela, your favorite print-on-demand coach. You can call me X, like the letter X, to make your life much easier if you can't pronounce the name XTN. Yes. So thank you very much for joining on today's lesson. Thank you very much for the privilege of your time. As I said, like, comment, and subscribe. These are the best ways for me to know that I'm actually delivering value. So welcome here. Today we're designing a business card. So just type here on Canva business card. And I'm using Canva Pro. If you're wondering, if you're serious about print on demand, please use Canva Pro or Kiddo Pro or any other pro design suite. Please use the Pro. Or if you're still using the free one, you can follow. It's very easy to follow. So I'm designing a landscape, a landscape business card today. The inspiration I've gotten today, I'm going to show you the inspiration I'm working with or from today. This is what I want us to design. I'm uploading it right now. Yes, 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 yes. The back and the front. So we have two designs. So I have that. I've clicked down here. Let me just do that again. If I'm too fast, remember you can rewind. Come here and duplicate that page. So you can do this. Come here and copy. And then come to the second page and paste. Why am I doing this? Because we need reference. Having reference is very important when you're designing because it helps you get the proper dimension, helps you get everything that you want to get right. So I'm just zooming out so that I can stretch it out all to the end so that I do not miss anything. It's very, very important. So I'll just stretch it out something like that. And I think I see the magenta lines are guiding me. That's one thing I love about Canva, the guides. The guides always just keep you locked. So I'm zooming in and yes, I have my design there. That's the front and the back is here. And that's why I said we duplicate. So I can actually zoom in the back as well. Because we're designing two things for one product. We're designing the front and the back. So that's how you do on business cards. You just don't design. In most cases, you just do not design the front and leave the back, not unless you're doing a minimalistic look as well. There are people who love that. Let's just not discredit. So let's start designing. So first things first, when it comes to designing, you have to understand which different layers are there on a design page. I can see the back layer where we have all this hair related stuff at the back. I don't want to butcher the names. I see some hair combs. I see a hair seat. I see a clipper. I see a blow dryer. I see a hairspray, scissors. I think different. A side comb. I see different things there. And then I see this black solid. I see the hair by Clarissa Hannington. So the first things first we need to do is come up with this different products that are here, that are thrown all over, one by one. So what we do, come here, we say hair salon, just search hair salon. Yeah, we search that, we're going to have different products that are in the salon. So it's a white background. It's a white background here. So is my background white? Yes. So I'm good over there. So let's start with the different products. So we can do the hair dryer. So let's hair dryer. So we need a black one. So that one works. Does that one work? It does work. Let's change the color here to black. It does work though. Okay. Okay. It doesn't need to be exactly how this is. Just need to get the elements right. So there's that one there. Is it repeated again? Yes, it is repeated here. And then I can come here and flip it horizontally. Where else is it? Any other? Okay, any other place can we see the dryer? No. We need a hair comb. You need a hair comb. The side comb. This one. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? I am confused on what to get. But we need this one. This one is the OG. Like every hair salon needs this. Yes. 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 Okay. Good. There. Stretch it out. It's also there. Where are you again? Come. You're also there. It actually took itself there. Where are you again? You're also there. Where are you again? You're also there. Yeah. So hair clipper. Let's do the clipper. The clipper. Famous clipper. Ours can have the scissor. We can just do the clipper. Yeah, we don't want to copy be exactly how this person is. So the clipper and can do our clipper here. Okay, how the clipper is there? Is it black? I'm gonna make sure it's black. Clipper, where are you again? Clipper, you're here. Another clipper somewhere else. Again, where are you, clipper? Clipper, you're here. Yes. Hairbrush. Of course. Gotta do the brush. We gotta get the brush. Where are you, brush? We can do, do, you like this. Do, there. Good. And another one there. Brush. Where are you? You were here. Brush. Where are you again? I see you peeping here. Brush. Where are you? I cannot see you. And then one more thing there. Salon. Chair. Yeah, the chair. There's a chair. Yeah, this one. This one. What do we go with? We can go with the icon. Yeah, we can go with this one. Maybe size it down a bit. Yes, yeah, well, good. And then flip it up. You're here, maybe flip it to the other side. I see you again here. And then the scissors. Yeah, scissors. Yes. No. Let me close the scissors. Closed. Let's close the scissors. Yeah, that's the power. Say scissors, close, and they close. How powerful is that? We need them black. This is white. Nah, looks weird. Does it look weird? It looks weird. Let's get some standard scissors. Let's not over scissor the scissors. You were over scissoring the scissors. Doesn't even make sense. I don't know. I don't understand what I'm saying. I'm just designing. I'm keeping you guys busy. Bring the scissor here. Now I see the scissor again here. Where are you, Scissor? Caesar. There's a musician called Caesar, I think. There is a musician called Caesar. Tell me in the comment section below. I'm not sure. Totally unrelated. I know. Totally unrelated. Okay, side comp. But where are you? I need a proper side comp. Where are you? You. This one is a very famous shape, globally famous. Like everyone has ever used this kind of side comp before. I don't know if you've never used this. I don't know. Have you never used this type of side comp before? Yeah. Have you never? Tell me in the comment section below. I think we're good. The same side comp here. This side comp is very popular. Good. Now I think we're done with the elements. Now let's get to the chunk of the matter. Come here. We need a solid come here. Let's get this solid here. Get that solid over there. Stretch it out. Up to there. Come down up to there. We're good. I'll space it out properly. Let me just get the text right here. Here. Text box. And right here. Here. Space it out, clip it at the corner so you can make it bigger, bring it here. No, come here. Wait. Come up here, text color, and then I am gotta get that dropper to get this pink. Is it the same font? Good. Can we? Yeah, we can work with the same font, by the way. And then I get a text box and then write by. And this one, make it a bit smaller. Let's zoom in. We gotta zoom in. Okay, and this is a script font. If you don't know anything about fonts, I've done a video about fonts, so please go check that out. It will really help you understand more about print-on-demand fonts, especially business cards. You cannot design a business card without a script font. Most of them you just have to understand what script fonts are. Yes, by Clarissa. Clarissa. And this is a sans serif. Clarissa is a sans serif. It's a sans serif. Yes. So understand the different names of different fonts. Very, very helpful. You can't really prosper in this industry if you don't understand the names of the different fonts. And I've done a whole video about it. So go on the playlist and check it out. Yeah, it's also a script font. You can repeat the same font there and then bring this solid here. And then I need to make this solid black. I need to make this solid black so that everything now makes sense. And I think I can delete the background reference image and then voila, the magic is there. That is the business card. That is the business card. Now, the only thing that is remaining is for us to now start working on spacing everything out and making it look sugar spice and everything nice. You understand? Yeah, that's how we're going to do. So just space things out by hand, one by one. Doesn't need to look perfect. Doesn't need to be perfect. Do not overthink it. Do not overcomplicate it. The more you think about it, the more you mess it up. As a matter of fact, just play around everything. Just play around all this. Flip it around. Bring it here. Bring it there. Try everything out until something actually works. And I think I need what do I need here? I need a clipper here. And then the clipper needs to be flipped. Yes. Is it balanced? Am I balanced? Am I good? I need a scissor. Duplicated, brought back here. And then maybe flipped like this. Oh no, I actually need to turn this up like that. Yes. So this one, let's center it. We've centered it. Let's center this one. Let's center this one. Let's center this one. Let's center this one. And we are good. And I remember there was some stuff here with some glyphs or something here. We really don't need to put them. If you want to, knock yourself out. But I think the design is good for the front side. We are done there. So this is good. That is done. It's perfectly good. At the back, you can just copy this. Let me show you something. At the back, so the back was just this black solid and the same background. So what we can do, let me show you a trick. Come here, duplicate this one, and then remove this one. No, don't really remove. Stretch it down, because you see this one is stretched up to that point. Yeah, stretch it down, and then this one like that. and then the solid like that to cover everything up. And you know what? We still have our design there, and then salon name right there. Salon name. Stretch this text all the way to the end. Good. Move this up a bit. Perfect. Salon, and then the text. Let me just do this to make my life much easier. Come here, change the font. This is a sans serif. You can use that, and then maybe 1, 3, 2. Your street, your town, state, city, state, your city, state, and then down here, phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then your email at gmail or email.com, your website.com. Okay. And you'll notice something. Let me just clip it so you can see we can get the proper sizing and whatever. Come here, let me show you a trick. Spacing, the line spacing. Yeah, reduce the line spacing. Looks really, really weird if it's really spaced out like that. So I can copy this, bring it here to make my work much easier. Yes, stretch it out, and yes. Yeah, I know it looks amazing. I know. You don't need to tell me. I know it looks good. I know. And we are done with our business card. Imagine. And that is our simple business card, and we are done with it. You can click there to see both of them like that, or just click this one again to see. And that is our business card, as simple as that. Designing a business card for a hair stylist, especially this niche. The hairstylist niche is a very big niche. If you're getting into business, into selling business cards, you can sell this on Zazzle. Check it out. The hair business, the hair product. Oh, you will sell. Please start selling on the hair products. Hair products do sell a lot, and that's how you design a business card for a hairstylist. Thank you very much. If you've loved today's lesson, if you learned anything, 1 or 2 things, and that's my goal, to teach you something new with this lesson. If you learned anything, please give me a like, a comment, subscribe, and tell me on the comment section below what you think. My name is XT Andela. Thank you very much for joining today's lesson. Thank you very much for the privilege of your time, and see you on the next one.